Welcome. If you manage a Telegram group and want to make your live streams run even smoother, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show how to allow group admins to manage live streams on Telegram with the latest update. Giving trusted admins this permission helps you delegate tasks and keep your group events organized and interactive. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app and make sure you're logged in with an account that has admin rights for your group. Once you're in, head over to the group where you want to update these permissions. You can find your groups easily in your chat list. Just tap to open the one you need. At the top of your group chat, you'll see the group's name or picture. Tap on it to open the group's info page. Here, you'll find details about the group, including members and settings. Next, look for the Edit button, usually a pencil or an option labeled Edit, and tap it to enter the group's management settings. Now scroll down and tap on Administrators. This section lists everyone who currently has admin privileges in your group. Find the admin you want to grant live stream management rights to, and tap on their name. This will open a permissions menu where you can fine-tune what each admin is allowed to do. Look for the toggle labeled Manage Live Streams. By default, this might be turned off, but you can simply switch it on to give this admin the ability to start, manage, and end live streams for your group. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to save your changes, usually by tapping a checkmark or save button at the top right. And that's it. You've now empowered your admin to handle live streams, making it easier to coordinate events and keep your group engaged. If you ever need to update permissions again, just follow these same steps. Thanks for tuning in. With these simple actions, you can share responsibilities and make your Telegram community even more dynamic.